Play-Doh Fun Mega Set.
And that's what he said.
From ages 3 and up.
And I
includes a play mat.
Oh wait, is that what this is?
That's a play mat.
No.
Okay, who do we have here first before we start?
We have Alyssa, Alyssa, Abigail, Ethan. And we have Play-Doh.
Okay, slowly open it up.
Take off this.
Slowly, take your turn, take your time.
Now.
Watch out, Alicia, watch your fingers. Be careful.
Wait, I meant to.
Nope.
Check this out, actually.
Slow. Okay, wait. Ethan. And put everything on the table.
This is going to take 5 minutes later. Tape open.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Take everything out.
Mommy,
Ethan, hey, be careful. Good. Okay, put your play mat down first.
Wait, there is? Yeah.
The Play-Doh in there?
Yeah.
Is it all dry?
No, they're all dry.
Oh, gosh.
Oh no.
And they're very hard.
Uh-oh. Oops. Oh, don't tell me to put Play-Doh in here.
These looks really hard too.
They're dry? Okay, let.
This looks like it's been used.
Okay.
It looks like it's been used before.
Is it really hard? Okay, let me get some more.
Dad, this Play-Doh looks like it was used. It looks like it was all used. Yeah,
Look at
it's
hers.
ripped. And I feel some Play-Doh in
Okay, don't use the Play-Doh mat.
They have a Play-Doh mat for something. Just so cold. Yeah, there's Play-Doh on here.
Is it inside the mat? In the mat?
No, outside. It's outside.
Okay, we'll be right back. I'm gonna get some fresh Play-Doh. We'll be right back.
Yep, somebody has to use this. Hello, guys.
Hello.
Are you making a star, Alicia?
Right now, I'm making a circle.
Wait.
Put some Play-Doh in there. Ethan, put one in there in that machine.
Wait.
Ethan, what are you making?
Nothing.
Open one of those. Grab one.
Wait, it's not a regular roller. Oh, this is the same Play-Doh. This is what you can buy.
You're making it? I see something. Go ahead. Oh, you chopped it in.
Oh.
Let me see. What does it make?
It makes an endless row of nothing.
Like a fish. I can see a fish there.
What word?
One of those little molds.
Oh, fish.
See the mold?
Okay, I'm a little confused now.
Okay, Ethan, put some inside the in that little machine there. Yes, put some in there and then squish it.
Now finally.
Move that orange one out the way. Abigail, move the orange one out the way. The other one? That's the yellow one. That one. Now, okay, put some in there.
Ooh. Look at this beautiful
Put
fish.
more in there. It's a beautiful.
It's a beautiful fish.
It's a beautiful fish. Let me see. Hold it up. Let me see.
You're supposed to hold it.
That's a yellow fish.
Yeah.
Wait, see the blue one.
You see this?
Is that a kind of knife is
I
that?
need a knife piece. Can I have a knife piece, please?
Okay, you see this fish? You know how people cut the fish?
Whoa, you cut it in half.
It dies. This is actually fun. I give this a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Who
For
gives
Play-Doh.
Who gives it
The
thumbs
Play-Doh
up?
set.
Yeah, the Play-Doh set number 1.
Be careful, don't hurt. Oh, squish it. Let me see.
Yeah, cool. That's not cool.
Okay, take the knife and cut it.
Oh,
Slow.
oh, you got some French fries.
French fries. Oh, she's gonna pull it. Just cut it. Can you cut it?
No.
Okay. Put it back. Put some more back in there.
Ew.
Okay, put more in there.
Ew, make noodles.
Yeah, make noodles. You gotta slide it over though. Right there. Yeah, slide it. Yeah. What are you making? Can you make a triangle? I see a triangle there.
Where?
Right there. That blue. Right there. You're touching it.
Okay. This is not a triangle.
That's a fish.
Where's
You
the...
knocked it down.
Oh.
You knocked it on the floor.
Can we mix it up?
Yes.
Oh no! Don't mix up.
Are you gonna make a heart?
I'm trying to make this thing.
Okay,
Ethan,
it's
can I have
Ethan.
that?
Ethan, let him do it.
Oh,
I want to try.
Ah.
No, not there.
Okay, you trying to clean it out? Clean out the machine?
No, I'm pretty sure that's what the knife is for. Yeah. There's the yellow triangle.
Okay, take it out. Let me see.
Whoa.
Whoa.
What can you see?
It's beautiful. And what does
That's
Abigail
a
have?
pizza.
Pizza?
It's a triangle pizza. Boom.
Okay, let's make.
What is that?
Whoa, what is that?
Is it? Wait, is it
The
this?
ice cream.
It's an ice cream.
I
It's a
think-
bell.
Honey, I'll wait for you. Okay, I'm gonna try with the purple one.
Okay, make some. Can you make some noodles or what can you make?
I'm make some. I can make stuff.
Okay, this is his turn now.
I'm gonna make
It's
this.
an ASMR.
I don't know what it is.
Okay, you gotta put some Play-Doh in there. Which one do you have? What color are you gonna use?
Orange for.
Orange?
Yes, I'm gonna use.
That's not orange. What color is that?
I know.
It's a poof. It's
Yellow.
Thank you.
Oh wait, I have to use it as a wiener dog. Let me just make a wiener dog. wiener
Whoa,
dog.
at least she's making a heart. Can I see your heart, Alyssa?
Hot.
Hold it up.
Oh my God, what's this?
Show it up. Hold it up.
More pink. Okay, I'm gonna
Show
make
your-
something so amazing. Nobody is ever gonna think of it.
Hey, you guys can take it out actually.
Oh,
Oh, that means it can just be a regular ruler.
that's a
So
regular.
what's the fun of... Oh, and then you can put this inside.
Okay, yes. Okay, it's Aya, what are you making
You wanna
here?
help
I'm
me
making
notice that?
a squash.
Okay.
A squash, I think.
I got a regular roller now.
Thank you. I was like, what's
A regular
Oh,
roll.
you wanna help me? I found that out.
Let me see. It's a. Watch your
Okay,
hand. I can't. Your hand's in the
Wait.
way. Okay. Let me see. Whoa.
It cuts the Play-Doh.
Okay.
Now see? You see this? Blah, 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 blah.
Oh, that's cool.
I don't say blah blah blah.
Make a star. Can you make a star? Star's at the end there.
Okay, he's gonna
Oh,
say
looks like a star.
Ah, my brother.
Okay, put the Play-Doh back in.
I
That
That looks like a pizza cutter.
accidentally
Is
cut
that-
the brother.
Ethan, that looks like a pizza cutter.
I see it.
You see what? Oh, that looks like a pizza cutter.
I accidentally cut the brothers.
Okay.
Should I say sorry?
Yes.
I'm sorry. I think he's dead.
Oh, look what Ethan's doing.
That's the
I
love.
think he's having.
Don't mix it.
Wait, what happened to my other?
Or you can just make it like
Wait,
a
what happened to
circle.
my orange? I mean my yellow. Why am I
Okay.
calling it orange? Where's my yellow? Where's my other?
Make a star.
I am making a star. I'm pretty sure
Like
Ethan missed-
pizza free.
How about make a big giant pizza in the center?
Pizza.
Oh,
And
then
make it
put a
pizza
star.
Okay.
Yeah, like come on, let's make a
Okay.
pizza.
free. Pizza star.
Pizza star.
Our heart pizza.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, let's put this on topping.
Oh, he's
Yeah,
cutting it like a
come on,
pizza.
guys.
Ethan's cutting it like a pizza.
Pizza.
Which one you gonna do now?
A star
Pizza.
for a star pizza.
Or
Star pizza.
triangle, circle. Ethan, come
I
on.
have to line this up super
Ethan, do
good.
this one, okay? I want you to make it really
Yeah,
good,
this is
okay?
good.
We're gonna
Okay.
do different
Three,
colors,
two,
okay?
one.
Okay.
You
Okay.
see? Whoa. Yo.
Isa,
It's a winner's
we're
song.
making a pizza plate,
That's
right,
cool.
Isa?
Yes.
I like it.
Now keep it out.
Hey guys, we're making a pizza plate.
Oh.
I tried my other brother.
Isa, are you making pizza right now?
Oh, not really. I forgot.
Come on,
Sorry,
you have to make
Alicia.
pizza.
I have to take stuff off.
Let Alicia help. Let Alicia do one.
Alicia have to take stuff off. Okay, there.
Now put some of that red Play-Doh in there.
Oh, sorry.
Help her. Okay, she doesn't want to touch it. It's okay, she doesn't want to touch it.
Ethan.
Yeah.
Oh, I need that.
Give her some.
Please, Ethan.
Wait, Ethan, I think you took some of my Play-Doh and mixed it
Oh, she's
up.
gonna put some in there.
And ballerina.
No. Done.
Oh, what is she doing? Oh, be careful.
Oh, she's mad.
Oh, it got stuck.
Play-Doh,
Here's a star. Okay,
That's
I'm
a star,
trying
that's
to
a
make
giant
a
star.
heart right now.
That's
You're trying to make a heart?
I'm not using that. I actually did it.
You made a heart?
Yeah.
You made that yourself?
No.
Oh, you used the mold?
Uh,
Oh, looks perfect. Looks very nice.
I'm trying to make it really nice. Like,
I don't have enough Play-Doh because somebody took it all.
not me. Oh, Ethan, kind of.
Ethan, why are you taking
Alicia's pack. Let me see, Alicia.
I
Let me
made.
see. Oh, yeah.
Oh, and there's a.
I made it.
Wait, open it, Alyssa.
Nom 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 nom.
A burrito?
Oh, and there's.
burrito.
And this is the tray, this is the duck, and this is the.
Okay. Love
you.
I
Oh,
love
you oh, you made a heart. Thank you.
Love
Wait,
Love
Ethan.
you.
Wait, Ethan. You know
You made a
hearts
heart.
do? No, wait. Let me show you something. Ethan, you made a heart, please.
Oh, and you got this. And
That's a
behind
duck
is
and a
rocket
butterfly
ship.
and a rocket
Okay.
ship.
You see this?
Play-Doh.
No.
He's broken your heart. He's cutting it out. Oh.
I broke my heart.
He broke his heart.
We supposed to make pizza.
Yes, this is what people do.
Oh,
Ethan, no, not done with the heart.
Give him half.
Yeah, because you took some of my Play-Doh. No. Ethan, you have to share.
What happened to Abigail's Play-Doh?
I think Ethan.
Oh, she has it. She has it in her hand.
That I think red or something color.
Alicia has some.
And Ethan took all of our Play-Doh and mixed it up.
Yeah, and I don't want to mix it up anymore.
And this is why I never mix up Play-Doh.
Yeah.
Ethan cut it in half.
Wait, give me that. Give me that Play-Doh. Let me cut it in half for everybody.
Let's cut it with the pizza cutter.
No, that's not gonna work.
I know
Everybody knows pizza cutters do not work. You have to use
But
a
only when it's a pizza.
Yeah, when it's a pizza, not a big
This is
old
what it's
glob of
working.
Play-Doh. That's kind of
Yeah, I
hard.
accidentally mixed my own Play-Doh.
Thank you, Ethan. I need it really bad.
Now, I'm gonna make the ultimate Play-Doh heart. You know?
This is not too bad.
Okay, Abigail,
Like,
can you make some noodles out of that machine there, that
It's
presser?
I don't want to make the noodles right now.
No. Okay. Ethan's gonna make some noodles.
Yeah, that's nothing.
What are you looking for? Oh, you're not gonna knock the table over.
Okay, this is what Ethan makes, so I just use it. Just for a little bit.
Abigail, push the table back towards you. Pull it back. There. Thank you.
I
Thank you.
pushed
Thank you.
it
Thank
back.
you.
Where's the heart? I need to break somebody's heart.
Where's the heart? On the ground. It's on the floor right here. See it?
Yes, now I have to break somebody's heart. Which one?
That one with all the little.
Hey,
That one right there.
Isa,
That one.
Look.
Wait, let me break the heart.
No, it's not sticky. I'm just showing you that, okay?
Now Ethan just mushed it.
I think it's the other way. Turn it around. I think it's the other way. There
Yeah,
you
it's the other way.
go. There you go.
Okay, you see this bill
Now
for
slide.
heart?
Be careful. Go
Hey,
slow.
Dad, do you see this bill for heart?
I think it'll go all the way through, but I think you have to turn it around. Turn it around.
Hey, Isa,
Okay,
can
now
I
go
use
slow.
Isa, can I use
Slow.
a
There
little
you go.
bit of your
All the way. A
Play-Doh,
little
please?
more. A little more.
Isa, can
There.
I use a little
Okay.
bit?
Okay, let me just break my heart. Rainbow Play-Doh. Okay, you see this heart already? It's a
You cut it
rainbow.
in half.
Yes.
Alisa.
Now-
Alisa. Okay.
Wait, it's
You're
a
next.
teardrop.
Alisa.
Share it!
That's a teardrop.
Share.
It's a teardrop. Okay, here, Rock, here's my teardrop.
Help
The
Alyssa.
other one, please.
With 2 teardrops.
This one is darker than the other one.
I know, because accidentally mixed dark with Play-Doh.
Wait, no, they're too dark.
Okay, she's gonna make some noodles.
I want some noodles.
Alyssa, you gonna make noodles?
Right now, I'm gonna make a star.
I want more Play-Doh. No, this is mine. I stabbed my sword. I want to. Ethan, you mixed all
Oh,
the
she's
Play-Doh up.
stuffing the machine.
Ethan, you mixed all the Play-Doh.
Yeah.
That means you're the one who has to give us more Play-Doh. That is not enough for you. I mean, that is too much. You have to share some Play-Doh.
Oh,
Yeah,
she's,
that's true.
Alyssa's stuffing the
Yeah,
machine.
but I'm making pizza. Bunny more.
Okay, press it, Alyssa.
No. You just don't want to share
Press it.
with us. That's all.
Press. Watch out.
Yeah.
Oh. Turn. Out.
Squish it. Come
Out. Turn around so we can see. Turn it around. Oh. Okay, push. Look at those. Oh, you got it.
How many did her put inside?
Oh, look at those. Yo, look at all those little noodles.
I'm making something.
Look at them. Look like thousands of little noodles.
Ethan, don't even.
Please don't take my Play-Doh.
Whoa, Alicia, you made the noodles.
Wait, I have to take this though off.
There's still more?
Yes.
Okay, I made the ultimate thing. The ultimate roller.
Okay, let's see the ultimate roller. More noodles still? How much noodles are in there?
I don't know.
Look.
The pizza.
Cut the I think
Come
that's
to
it.
Isaias meal shop. No, come on, your meal
Meal dolls.
Noodles.
Oh.
Super good.
Noodles?
Noodles.
Yes.
They're made of milk. They're made of cow. They're made of cow.
Alrighty, I think that's about it.
Wait, I have to do something. You see this hole in here? I haven't tried this. Now just mix this in. Okay, this is the tutorial. How to print
Guys,
them.
look.
Oh, I see. Oh. Oh.
Okay, Abigail. Look, I make noodles. Abigail.
What?
Can you
Ethan,
roll
you give it a
my
thumbs up?
thing?
Thumbs
Yes,
up?
I
Ethan?
can.
Abigail, thumbs up. Play-Doh set?
Yeah, thumbs up.
Alicia? Thumbs up?
Wow.
Yes? She's too busy playing. Issa, yeah? Thumbs up? Yes?
Yeah, thumbs
Yes.
up. Yeah.
Thanks everybody for joining us on the
Yes.
Family Playing and Learning channel. Please follow us. Please subscribe. Hit that bell notification. And...
Wait, this is for you. You love your.
No, Abigail, give me the heart.
Hands.
Give me the heart.
Why did you blow it?
Thanks for the heart.
How do you know? I'm gonna break that heart. Give me that heart. I need to break it.
No, I don't have it.
Thanks everybody for joining us. And we will see you on the next one.
I broke it.
Bye
I broke
everybody.
it.
Bye.